Once upon a time, in a peaceful little village, there lived a young man named Ammon. He was full of energy, talented, and dreamed big. But he had one problem. He couldn't decide what to focus on. Each day he began something new but never saw it through. One day he tried farming. The next he spoke of opening a shop. And the week after, he wanted to become a teacher. Despite his hard work, Ammon felt like he was stuck, going nowhere. One evening, feeling tired and frustrated, Ammon went to see a wise teacher in the village named Gur Arvind. The villagers respected him deeply for his wisdom and calm presence. Bowing respectfully, Ammon said, "Guruji, I want to do something meaningful with my life, but I feel lost. I keep trying different things, but nothing works. What should I do?" Guru Arvind smiled and replied gently, "My child, you are like a boat sailing without a direction. Let me tell you a story that may help you find your way." And so he began. Years ago, there was a boy named Dev. Just like you, he had many dreams, but no clear path. One day, a traveler handed Dev a small notebook and said, "Write down your goal, break it into small steps. Follow one step each day." Dev laughed at first, doubting that such a simple act could change anything. But he gave it a try. He wrote one clear goal: become a successful carpenter. Then he broke it down. Learn the skill, gather tools, build simple furniture. Find buyers. Each morning, Dev read his goal. Each evening, he wrote down what he had achieved. Slowly but surely, his life began to transform. His focus sharpened. His efforts became more effective. He stopped jumping from one idea to another and started building a real path forward. Within a year, Dev opened a small carpentry shop. In 2 years, people from nearby villages came to buy his furniture. And within 5 years, he was teaching others who had once felt as lost as he had. Ammon listened closely, eyes wide with wonder. So, just writing a goal and taking small steps can really change your life? Guru Arvind nodded. Yes, my son. Goals give your energy direction. Without them, your efforts are scattered. But with a goal, your actions gain purpose and power. He continued, remember these 3 steps. Make your goal clear. Know exactly what you want. Break it into small, achievable steps. Don't try to climb the whole mountain in a day. Review and adjust. Life changes, and so can your plan. Inspired, Ammon went home that night and wrote one clear goal: start my own vegetable business. He listed the steps: learn from experienced farmers, save money, find a good market spot, treat every customer kindly each day. He focused on just one step. Within months, he started selling vegetables, waking early, greeting customers with a smile, and building a reputation. He kept learning and improving, adjusting his goals as he grew. Years later, Ammon became one of the most successful young businessmen in the region. When asked the secret of his success, he simply smiled and said, set one goal. Take one step each day. That's how you build a better life. Moral of the story. Without a clear goal, effort is wasted. But when you set a purpose, break it into steps, and work on it daily, success naturally follows. Start small. Stay focused. Keep going.